Hi. Where are we going, Matthew?
Fire truck.
To see the fire truck. And to say hi to firefighters, yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe. Wait, Matthew. Wait. No. Here you are. And this is fire truck. Okay, let's go inside. Yeah? Alright. There you are with those firefighters. Alright. There you are. Maybe take a shot from that one. Yeah, that one. Alright. Oh yeah, sure. Here we are inside. Wait there, Matthew. Shot from here. Wow, this is a treat. This is a treat, Matthew. Here.
They're driving there?
Yeah, they're driving here, Matthew. Look. And a real helmet. Hey? This is nice. Okay, let's go in there. It's going now, so yeah. We're good. Are you happy? Let's go and drive the truck. Come on through. Wow, look at that. No passenger boxes. Perfect.
Push the button?
Do you want to push the red one? Yeah, you're okay. He's overwhelmed. This one. Matthew, this one.
Press that one. You turn all the lights on the outside on.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
Wow.
You can
Look,
come out
Matthew
and see
here.
now.
Look, Matthew here.
Big smile, buddy.
Big smile. He's really shy. Shocked. Just took a quick hit. All right, buddy. Okay, say thank you.
It's okay. It's awesome. Thanks for coming there.
What did you see? Say,
Fire trucks.
you saw who? Firefighters too?
Yeah.
And what, did you enjoy it? Was it fun? So what did you see?
I was laughing.
You were laughing. Show where you went. Which way?
There.
All right. Where?
That's a station.
All right. Good job.
Can I see
What was blinking?
this? The light.
Where?